Here we wanted to approximate 1.05 to the 5th power to the 7 decimal places by binomial theorem. We know this is the 2nd decimal places. So we wanted to calculate this one by our hand to the 7 decimal places. And here we got to use binomial theorem. Binomial theorem says that if here is 5, we have a 6/10. So that will be starting from the highest one, 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay. Now here is 5, so 1 to the 5th. And then 10 to the 2nd power is to the 0. Now we have 1 to the 4th power, so we do not have to write this because it's always 1 to the 5th power, you get 1. 1 to the 4th power, you get still 1. So basically here you then have as 10 to the -2. Here should be 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 0 plus 4 is 5. So there I'm not going to write this 10 and this 10. I simply write will be 10 to the negative exponent is 2. Here I should write 2. And then here I should write 10 to the negative exponent. Here is cubed plus 10 to the -2, and then is 4. And then, do we have to write more? Probably not. You see, -2 to the times 4 is 8. So it's going to be the 8th decimal points. But you know, I can write more. It will be 10 to the -2 to the 5th. Let me write better. That will be 10 -2 is to the 5th. To the 5th, 2 times 5 is 10. So basically, you do not have to write this one. Okay. Okay. Let's calculate. Erase that one. Okay. Equals 5 choose 5 is 1. another 5 to the fifth power, we know it's 1. So this one is 1 times 1. 4 choose 5 is 5. And then times, here is 1, so I do not have to consider. And then times 10 to the -2, that's 0.01. You see right here. That's this one. Okay. Now, 5 choose 3 equals 5 choose 2. So I have a 5 times 4. And here is 2 times 1. And then times, here I should have a 10 times 10 to the -2 and then squared. So it's 10 to the -4. So you should have 0.4 zeros in front of 1. Here you see it's -2, so you have 2 zeros, including the 0 before the decimal point. Okay. Again, those two are equal. 5 choose 2, 5 choose 3. So you have is 5 choose 4. And then downstairs is 2 times 1. And then here is times 10 to the -6. 6 zeros. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put 1 there. And then times 5 choose y is 5. And here is 2 times 4 is 8. So you have a 0.1, 2, 3. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in total you have 8. So put 1 there. Since here again is 7 decimal points, you do not really have to calculate this one. Because this is already 10 places. 2 times 5 is 10. So you do not have to calculate. Okay, so again, this one, no calculation. Okay, let's figure out. 1 times 1 is 1. 0.01 times 5, so 0.05. Now 4 times 2, 5 times 4 is 20, divided by 2 is 10. So what do we have? 10 times 0.0001, instead of 4 zeros, now you have 3 zeros, because here you multiplied by what? 10. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now, here again is 10. Previously, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Now you should have 5 zeros. Now, plus this one. How many zeros? 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Including the one here is 8. Okay. Now, what do we get? 1 plus 0.05, so it's 1.05. Here is the second decimal point. Here would be what? 1, 2, 3, third one. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0, 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 zeros, including this one, is 8 zeros. Then this 5 would be in the ninth place. So you will consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, I have to erase that. Delete. So you have a 1.05106. There are 6 digits there. And then you have a, here in total you have a 8 zeros. So then you should have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because here is 5, you have rounded up. So approximately 1.05 10101. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here you round it up. That would be the final answer. It's 1.0510101. This would be the correct answer. Okay? I'll see you next time.